Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the witness that went missing. Okay, let's talk about that in this video. But before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you'll be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, let's get into this situation very fast because there's a lot of things that are being said. Now, here's my intel. Oh, I've got intel when it comes to that. Number one, leave Gininda alone. Not really. But leave Gininda alone, he did nothing on this instance. Not saying he's an innocent man. No, the things that have been said there are not saying he's innocent, but time will tell when it comes to guilty or what, when it comes to him. But now, on this situation of the witness, he did nothing. Leave me alone. Leave Gininda alone. So leave Gininda alone. He did nothing. Balo, he did nothing. Nobody did anything at this point. Okay. However, the witness did not even move an inch from KZN. He was supposed to move an inch from KZN on Monday, the 2nd of April of February, but the witness did not even move an inch from KZN. Okay, reason for that, the witness was very scared due to the investigations that are happening, and also the family is also not because they've lost family members in this Gauteng region, and they are not interested in having one of their own coming to Johannesburg ever again. Okay, so that is where the matter is. Now, can we please let our BPs very low because Ugininda didn't do anything. No one did anything. The witness is safe. No one kidnapped the witness. No one did anything to the witness, but the family is just feeling like, hey, everything is happening there and we are not happy. We do not trust the investigating team. And because of that, we won't be happy if one of our own comes there. So the witness had no choice but to listen to family members because Vele, when something happens, it will be a problem for his family, not for the witness, not for the defense or for the accused. It will be a problem for his own family. So he had to oblige to what the family was requesting. Don't get involved. Yes, we know you want to do right. It's something that we can do to do right. But now we do not trust that team, especially after what happened to Kwabini, after what happened to who else? Makosonke, especially now when they are very scared to hear that there is other people that were arrested. So they don't know how far this investigating team can go. So people are not comfortable. When I say Gininda did not do anything, not directly to this witness, but he did do things to people. Hence, people are going to be scared. Do you hear me? So if you felt like, oh, what's happening? What did they do with the witness? Nope, they didn't do anything to the witness. The family sat down and be like, now. Now, I think the reason the witness is not answering the phone, he is embarrassed to explain that to Umnisi, but he can't go beyond the voices of his family. Let's say it's his parents, let's say it's his brothers, perhaps older, but obviously it's older people. And when they are giving advice to him, you know that we've lost someone in our family. In that Johannesburg or in Gauteng. We don't want anything to do with Gauteng. So because of that, we are very uncomfortable, especially with this rogue unit, cold case unit. We are not comfortable. Yeah, so that is where we are. That is where we are. Yes, it's not an ideal situation or yeah, but it is what it is. There was a witness that was supposed to come. The issue was this. Okay? Uguti family um is not at ease with the witness coming to Gauteng province. Let alone when Mnisi said that the witnesses are scared. The witnesses are scared of Gininda and team. That's exactly that. Angithi bona they are threatening abo they are threatening and they take people to prison cells for no reason and then don't account for what they did. So yeah, that situation is there now. That's where it's standing. Now can we relax? Let's move on. And then there was nothing they could do again. And that was the last witness of Usibia. They had to move on because they can't exactly force a witness to come when they are not feeling comfortable. Yes, they were keen to come, but when the family is voicing their very own concerns, especially after the things that Makosonke said about being in police cells, especially after the things that Gwabini says about being with police, in police custody, unlawful arrest. The unlawful arrest is exactly why people are not comfortable, because you don't know what they will do with you. And also, when Gwabini was busy there inside the courtroom, you saw what happened in December with the people that used to accompany him. Do you understand? So there's a lot. There's a lot. People are not comfortable. That's what happens. It's a pity, though, that witness could not come. But of course, some of the things the witness was going to confirm have already been confirmed. But we needed that particular witness to come through. Anyway, that is what is happening with that. I want everyone to relax. Please relax. Nothing is happening. Nisi did not play monkey what with the court. Nisi was telling the truth that the witness is not answering his calls. The witness is not answering his calls, and there's nothing else you can do. So what must the witness do if the family is like, we are very uncomfortable? Luto. There's absolutely nothing that they can do. No one took information and gave it to the state side. No, but the witness decided otherwise. Okay, I hope that helps to calm you down. I hope that helps to relax your mind. I hope that no one has been kidnapped. The witness was not kidnapped. The witness was not, is still very much alive. No one unalived the witness. No one threatened the witness. No one said anything to the witness. Nothing happened to the witness. Are we clear, guys? Nothing happened to the witness. Are we clear on that? Are we clear, guys, on that? Nothing happened to the witness. Can we clarify that? No one threatened. No one said anything. No one, it's just them, Uguti. Yes, they are scared of coming to court because they don't know what that rogue unit is going to do with them. They don't want problems. They don't want problems. If family doesn't want problems, if family has been through a lot. Okay? Yes. So that's that. Anyway, guys, when it comes to that, we are done. I hope now there's understanding. I know that we would love to accuse Gininda or whoever of doing things. No one did anything. Let's relax. Shopping again, eh? Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you'll be supporting my channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So please make sure, drop those comments in the comment section. You drop your thoughts. You tell me what you think. You tell me how you feel. Are you happy that we are moving forward to the next accused? And cut. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.